This is cold air. I'm just going to do a dot. Ready to go? Did it hurt? Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath in. There you go. And keep your breathing nice and steady. That's perfect. I'm done with 2 of the leaves out of all 5.
I know.
Take a deep breath. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
I'm going to touch up some of it. Are you okay, Evelyn?
Yeah.
You sure you're not feeling nauseous or lightheaded or anything?
No.
Okay, here we go. Here go the bottom 2 leaves. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. You okay? You sure?
No.
Okay, we're going to take a little break. Ready and go. Three, two, one.